Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will talk about the different resources that are available to teachers in teacher practice area. Before you access the teacher practice area, you have to ask to be enrolled. Watching the video on enrollment was very useful. And then once you are enrolled, you can access the teacher practice area just by clicking here. Once you're in, you can of course watch the instructions one more time, very useful. And after that you can consult the topics that were started by other teachers like Nellie or Grace or Ella, and here is my topic. So what I did here in order to get started, first thing I had to put my name in, and I could have put more. For this, all you have to do is, first of all, you turn the editing on. It's the green button on the top right inside of your screen. Once the editing is on, you get the possibility to edit each of these items. So in order to put my name, what I did, I went to add an activity or resource. You click here and you see a beautiful sidebar here full of activities and resources. Okay, from what I understood, the main difference between activities and resources is that activities give your students something to do and enable you to interact very quickly with your student by making appointments. We'll see that in the next video. And the resources are offer you some different ways to present content for your course. So in order to get started, I started with the label, which enables you can put some sound, you can put some text, you can put some multimedia in it. I just put my name, but there are lots of things. As you can see, when you open a resource or an activity, you see next to it a description of what it does, and you even have suggestions on how to use it in your course. Okay, so let's pretend that I want to make one again. So level up, here, and on the bottom you have a little button add, so you add it. Very simple. And when you add it, that's where you can put the text. For example, Beatrice, an ESP teacher, here like this. And I can, of course, you have a rich editor, so you can change colors and the font and everything you want. Okay, save, return to course. Simple. Sorry, you had more. If I want to edit that, because there is more to it than that, so I can decide whether I wanted to show it to my students. Sorry for the framing. Whether I wanted to show it on my course or hide it from my students. It's practical when you're preparing your course, and you can do everything. Once you are satisfied, you publish it. You can restrict the access to you can add any kind of restriction, to groups, group what you want to show and everything. Okay, and you can of course add tags, very useful when for searching later on. Let's see, Evo 2018. I love the Evo sessions. Save and return to course. It's okay. So that's how you can use it. Now, if you want, let's see what the other resources can do for you. So let's go down to the resources. If you have much content, a very heavy document to present as content, you can present it as a book. If it's lighter, you can present it as a file. But you make sure that the students have the appropriate software on their computer so that they can open your file. You can also put your documents, your content in folders. Okay. Then again, if you want to make a folder per topic or something, if you agree on the format with your standard with your students, you can use the IMS content. If you have many pictures that you want to use during your course, put them in the gallery. It's a nice one. You can, of course, create a web page inside your course. You can access a web page from the outer space. And you can also organize your content in a poster. Depends on what you want and how you want to present your content to your students. Okay, I hope this was useful. See you soon.